Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. ¿Cómo están? So for today, I am going to be taking down all of my Easter decor. I'm also going to be cleaning my coffee station as well as organizing it because it was in desperate need of that, you guys. I've been wanting to organize and just declutter my coffee bar for a while, so I'm gonna be sharing what I have in my coffee bar and just getting rid of things and also organizing everything that I have in there. I'm also gonna be decluttering my Easter decor. So yeah guys, I hope you get some motivation and stay tuned. I gotta admit, I was kind of sad to put away all of my Easter decor because it was just so vibrant as far as my coffee station area. I love seeing all the pastel colors and all those, blues and yellows and greens. But I mean, it was time to just put it away and, just get ready for summertime. But yeah, you guys, at the end, you guys will see I did a little display for Mother's Day in my shelves, but my other two shelves on the top, I just left them plain. I didn't put anything else in there because I don't have any summer decor for my coffee bar. This is pretty new. If you've seen my previous videos, I've only had these shelves up for a couple months, so I've never done a summer coffee bar. I don't even know how I would decorate it. So I gotta come up with some ideas, but it's kind of hard right now because of everything that's happening. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it as is. We'll see what I have to work with. But yeah, I mean, the coffee bar is getting nice and clean. It feels so good to declutter all of my coffee bar, like drawers and the shelves. You guys, I've been wanting to do this for a while, and right now is the perfect time. So yeah, here I'm just showing you like some of the decor or things that I use to decorate my coffee bar with. Like, I love to have straws. Like, I like to go when I go to the 99-cent store or the dollar spot at Target and they have straws that I like. I just grab them because I think about my coffee bar or for my kids. So yeah, you guys, right here you'll see me that I'm taking everything out and just getting rid of stuff that I no longer need, or some teas that I no longer like or that I didn't really like when I bought them, but I just didn't get rid of them because I felt bad throwing them away. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's keep going with the video, you guys. I'm just gonna be quiet for a little bit and let you enjoy the video. See, over here I have some stands, the little stands that I get always from the Target dollar spot. Whenever I see them, I usually grab one or two. I have the white ones as well. I really like these to decorate my coffee station and also just to decorate around the house. I also have all these little signs that I can use all year long, not just for during the seasons. I feel like these you can use them all year long. Well, actually this one's from winter time. I think this one's so pretty. I got it at Home Goods last time I went. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna put it up here. And then I also have a pumpkin over here. I don't know why. So here I'm just organizing all of my Easter decor. I did take down everything for the rest of my home and put it all at the table. That way I can see everything and then just get rid of everything that I no longer want. I'm probably gonna donate it or give it to my mom or even make a yard sale because I have been decluttering all of my home and just I've been getting rid of the stuff that I no longer want or no longer love, you know, instead of just keeping everything just because it's cute. I mean, I am I am guilty of that, for real. Like, I keep stuff just because they look cute, but in reality I don't really need it or I no longer want it. So yeah, I'm starting to work more on that and just keep the stuff that I really love. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm decluttering, organizing. I like to buy these big bins, that way I can see what season it is and it's easier for me when I'm gonna take out the bin to decorate with. So yeah, I've been buying the clear bins instead of buying, you know, the classic color ones. So that's been helping a lot. Like for Valentine's Day, I did buy a pink one that was clear, that had polka dots in it, and I just put all of my Valentine's decor in there, and it's really pretty, it's cute, it looks organized, and it's cute for the eye, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here.
One eternity later.
Okay, I want to show you how it looks now that it's all organized. I put all my teas here, and then these are extra. As you guys saw, I didn't even realize I had them down there. And then I just have some hot chocolate here. I need to buy another container, maybe 2 from the Dollar Tree. That way I can organize more teas and my straws. Here I just have my husband in the background. He's playing online. But I have some spoons here that I use for my tea. And then down here I reorganized again, and then I just have all my to-go cups here. These are for fall and Christmas. These are like everyday to-go cups. And then, as I showed you earlier, I have all my holiday mugs over here that I love, that I'm not gonna get rid of just yet because I still love them very much. One thing that I did want to keep is everything that I still love and, you know, I'm still gonna use. Down here, this is the way I arranged all of this stuff. These are all my little what are these called? The little stands, I guess. Little cake stands, cupcake stands, that's what they're called. That's the way I left them there. And then these bottles I use for decor or to put stuff in there. You know how I love to do different displays for every season. That's why I'm not gonna get rid of these things, because I use them for when I decorate. And then over here I put on my signs that I have from the Target dollar spot, you know, like for decor or for a hot chocolate bar or whatever. And then over here I just put all my signs, like label signs and like stands, things like that. And then down here it's pretty empty. I just left this here. And then I like that I can see everything that I have now, and it's like all organized, or less organized as I'm gonna get today, because you know this is what I had to work with. Like I bought these baskets at the 99-cent store, and I was thinking of using them for my laundry room, but I ended up just using them right now for my coffee station. And I'll just go buy more once I start organizing my laundry room. And then over here, I leave this here because I don't have a lot of room in my kitchen, and then it's just easier access, and I like that it looks organized. And then down here I just left this little basket that I didn't know what to do with it. I still love it, that's why I didn't want to get rid of it. And then this is another little stand for when I decorate. And then down here is I put my Ray Dunn pieces, and then this little container here. And then over here I just have all my Ray Dunn, you know, canisters and some more canisters here and some little mugs or espresso mugs. These are so little and cute. And that's pretty much it. I left them in here because I don't know how I'm gonna decorate my coffee station just yet. I've never done a summer one, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it now or do it later for summer. So right now, this is the way I left it. I want to do it kind of like a little Mother's Day, you know, theme, because Mother's Day is coming. So I just left this decor piece or flower arrangement that I really love. I love how these peonies are so pretty. They're so light, and then I like this very light green. And so I just left my two Mother's Day mugs or my Mother's Day mugs here, and some to-go cups, my coffee and hot chocolate, and this little sign that I haven't used, so therefore I wanted to display it and just use it. And then over here I just have my teas. Sorry I'm out of breath, you guys. I'm just tired. It took longer than expected, so, and I still got more to do. But anyways, I put this plate here that just says Bon Appetit, and this little sign here, and this little Target Dollar Spot vase. I got it this year for the springtime. And then I just left this little flowers from Michael's. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Up here I haven't done anything. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I gotta work on that, but this is not a decorate with me, so I'm not gonna be showing you guys that part. But yeah, that was it. Oh, I forgot to show you guys in here. In here is pretty organized. You know, I just have some placemats, some hand towels, and then here, you know, all are my hot cocos and my Starbucks breakfast blend. And I got from Walmart for very cheap, you guys. They were on clearance, and I got a deal on them. It was like 32 in a box for like $5, I think. It was very cheap. So, and I really do like this coffee, but my favorite is Nescafe. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So this concludes today's video. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration or maybe some motivation to go ahead and clean out that drawer or those cabinets that you've been dreading to clean out, because believe me, you guys, I've had those days, and right now it's a good time to just uplift each other and, you know, get each other in good spirits. So if I just did that for one of you guys, then I did my job. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Cuídense mucho. Bye.